In this video, I'm going to show you how to create schedule events on Discord. Now, before you can be able to do this, you need to be in a Discord server, right? Or you need to be the creator of the server or the owner, right? So I'm going to open my Discord right now. And if you look here in my channel, I have a channel called HowTo server, right? So I think this is basically for educational purpose. So I'm going to click on it, right? If you click on it, you're going to see create channel, create category, create event, right? Click on the create event. You're going to be asked where is your event, right? So you're going to know, like you're going to tell people where you want the event to hold on, right? I'm going to click on this. You can add a test channel, an external link, or in-person location, right? I can just be like, let me say, it can be like UK, right? So I'm using this for educational purpose. So I'm going to click on next. Then you're going to enter your event topic, right? You're going to enter the start time, the end time, right? So if you want this to start on, let me say, 2nd, 3rd May, let me say 3rd August, right? I'm going to click on it. So the end date would be something like, let me say, 31st December 2026, right? So I'm going to click on this. Okay, let me just select, okay, 2025. I'm going to click on this, right? So you're going to enter the description of what you want, right? Once you are done, I'm typing good. I'm going to click on next. Okay, event topic. Okay, let me say education, right? Click on education. Click on education, right? I'm going to click on next, right? So this is it. Here's a preview of your event. So it's going to start on August 3rd by 4 a.m. and the location is UK. The topic is about education, right? So if you click on this create event, it's going to go through. This is how you can do this. If you find this video, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the next